I'm going to show you what I'm having for breakfast. So I'm going to take, so this is just water. I always try to hydrate throughout the day. I already have my coffee. And I'm going to take this hummus and make a hummus bagel. So I have a bagel in my toaster. I'll show you what kind of bagels they are, and I got them from Whole Foods. These are like my new favorite. So they're carrot and pumpkin, whole grain, vegetable bagels, and they're by daily needs, and you get 2 cups of vegetables per 1 bagel. It doesn't actually taste like carrot and pumpkin. I'll be honest, it tastes like a regular plain bagel, but I think the vegetables they use to get your 1 cup of or 2 cups of vegetables in is the carrot and the pumpkin, but it just tastes like a plain bagel. And then I'm going to top it with my microgreens, and I got this one at Big Y, and this one is the summer garden one, but you can get microgreens pretty much anywhere now. But normally I get them locally at my farmer's market. If you're from Massachusetts like I am, and you're on the South Shore, look into Garden of Eaton or Easton. I don't know how. Some really good microgreens, and they're one of my favorites to find at farmers markets locally. But I got this one at Big Y. So it contains at least 3 of the following certified organic ingredients, and it's got all of that in there. And this one's from Easton, Connecticut, so it's kind of local. So, and then I got some of these orange tomatoes. I also got at a farmer's market, and they're nice and sweet, and I like them. And again, this is my hummus, my roasted artichoke, and spinach. But you can use any kind of hummus. This is how it looks, the final product. So I just spread the hummus on the bottom of the bagel, and then I cut the orange tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomato you want, or you don't have to use tomatoes. You can use onion, you can use a bell pepper, you could use whatever you like for toppings, even mushrooms. And then I just topped it with the microgreens, and I'm gonna go enjoy it. You can also put some seasonings on top like salt and pepper. If you enjoyed this recipe, if you could give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and in the description box below I have my social medias, my website, my email, so you can follow me on those things, and you can also email me with any questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.